Welcome to MBI International.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are manufacturer of earmuff. If you want to import like mixed color and good quality, we can directly supply to your location. No matter what design, what style, we will work according to your specification, inshallah. So, see, we have multiple color. We mix the carton ourselves and packing ourselves for our customer, and we will deliver it to different country like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, or others country. So our quality is very good. You see the finishing and the horn. The sound is very clear and the quality is very good. See the quality is very good. So you can do big business with this earmuff in this winter. Welcome to NBI International. Assalamu alaikum.